In our previous session, we learnt about harful jarri and ism majroor. In normal conditions, nouns or asma means in singular form, asma is called as ism, and ism is in marfu state in normal condition. But when harful jar or any preposition appears in front of it, it becomes majroor, means it takes kasrah. Like for example, here the original word was al-faslu, but when the harf jar fi came in front of it, it became fil fasli. Okay, so al-faslu became al-fasli. It accepted kasrah. Okay, so that was about our previous session. Now we will start the remaining with the remaining part of lesson 4. Now on the right hand side you can see the names of males. Okay, and on the left hand side you can see the names of females. Now on the right hand side all these nouns are munsharif, means they can decline completely, means they can get converted to mansub form by accepting fatha, and they and those can get converted to majroor form by accepting kasra. Okay, tanween bil kasra. Okay, now and also they have tanween in their original form also. On the left hand side all these nouns which are on the left side don't accept tanween and they don't decline completely, means in the mansoob form it will take fatha at the end, and in the majroor form once again it will take fatha, it won't take kasra anytime. This is the difference. Okay, please note down the difference. Aminatu is marfu now. Okay, and when it will become mansub then it will accept fatha, it will become aminata, and when it will be majroor it won't accept kasra, it will once again remain the it will be aminata. Okay, it won't be aminati. So aminatu, aminata, and once again aminata. Same is the case for zainabu, zainabu, zainaba, zainaba, fatimatu, fatimata, fatimata, maryamu, maryama, maryama, aishatu, aishata, aishata, khadijatu, khadijata, khadijata, safiyatu, safiyata, safiyata, ruqayyatu. It is in marfu form. In marfu form it will be ruqayyata, and in majroor form it will once again be ruqayyata. Okay, ruqayyata. So these are called as ghayru munsarif nouns, or we can say mamnu min as-sarf. Okay, mamnu min as-sarf means they don't accept tanween and they don't accept kasra. Okay, so now who will try to read these names by following the rules mentioned here or observed here. Okay, first let's start with first. Haya, can you answer?
Yeah, sir. Hamidun,
Yes, correct.
Hamidan,
Okay,
Hamidan,
okay,
Hamidin,
correct,
Hamidin.
correct. Very good. Next, Mahal, can you answer the next? Unmute yourself and answer the question. Okay, next, Abu Ibrahim, can you answer?
Zainabu, Zainaba, Zainaba.
Yes, very good. Next, Shahid, you unmute yourself and try to answer. Okay, Ulfa, will you be able to answer? Okay, Haya, start once again.
Yeah, sir. Aminatu, Aminata, Aminata.
Correct. Abu Ibrahim, try next one. Abu Ibrahim,
Am, Ammarun, Ammaran, Ammarin.
very good. Next, Haya,
Yeah,
carry on. Carry on. Saeed, Haya, is there any problem?
yes, sir.
Next, try this one.
Sha'idun,
Okay,
Sha'idin, Sha'idan.
Saeedun, Saeedan, and
Sha-
Saeedin. Okay.
Okay.
Next, Abu Ibrahim, try next one.
Fatimatu, Fatimata, Fatimata.
Yes, very good.
Maryamu,
Okay, Haya, try next one.
Mariamu, Mariamun, Mariama, Mariama.
You said Mariamun. It is not Mariamun, sister. It is Mariamu.
Mariamu.
Okay,
Yeah, sir.
single number. Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Yeah.
Abu Ibrahim, try next one.
Aliyun, Aliyan, Aliyin.
Yes, very good. Okay, next, Haya, try once again.
Khalidun, Khalidin, Khalidan.
See, you have to say like this: Khalidun, Khalidan, and Khalidin. Okay. First, you have to say
Okay.
marfu, then mansub, and then majroor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, Abu Ibrahim.
Abbasun, Abbasan, Abbasin.
Okay. Haya, next one. Haya, try next one.
Aishatu, Aishata,
And last,
Aishata.
yes, correct. Was for Aishata. Okay. Next, Abu Ibrahim, try next one.
Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin.
Correct. Very good. Okay. Haya, try next one.
Shafiyatu, Shafiyata. Shafiyata.
It is not Shafiyata, sister. It is Fafiyata. The
Shafiyata.
sound of seen and fog are pronounced from the same place, but seen is light and fog is somewhat thick. Okay, Fafiyata, Fafiyatu, Fafiyata, and Fafiyata. Okay, Abu Ibrahim, try last one.
Khadijatu, Khadijata, Khadijata.
Very good. Okay, from your answers, I conclude that you have understood this concept very nicely. Okay, so we will proceed further, inshallah. Now, this is the B part of the lesson 4. See on the right side, the word is al-baytu. Okay, but when harf jar appears in front of it, it becomes majroor. It accepts kasra. Okay, so here min is harf jar and its meaning is from. Okay, minal bayti, from the house. Okay, and on the left hand side, ila, new harf jar has been introduced in this lesson. Ila means to or towards. Okay, so al masjidu is marfu' in its original form, but when harful jar comes in front of it, it accepts kasra at its end. Okay, ilal masjidi means to the masjid or towards the masjid. Okay, now this is the hiwar. Hiwar means the conversation. Okay, so this is a hiwar between Mudarris and his student, and the name of his student is Muhammad. So let's start. Al Mudarrisu. He says, Min aina anta. Okay, Min means from, aina means where, and anta means you. So it will be translated as where are you from? Muhammad replies, Ana min al Yaban. Now ana, he is a dhamirun munfasilun, means detached pronoun. Okay, and detached pronouns are always marfu'. Okay, and they come as mubtada. They can come as a mubtada. Okay, and mubtada is always marfu'. So here ana is marfu'. Ana min al yaban. Ana is used for first person singular, means I. I am from Japan. I read the next one.
Al-Mudarrisu. Wamin aina Ammar.
Okay, it means and where is Ammar from? Okay, Abu Ibrahim, read the next one. What is said by Muhammad? What is replied by Muhammad?
Huwa minas Sini. He's from Chin,
He is from China.
China.
Okay,
China.
okay, okay. Haya, read the Mudarris part. This one. What does Al Mudarris say now?
Okay, sir. Wamin aina Hamid.
Okay, Abu Ibrahim, reply. Don't put off your mic. Okay,
Okay. Huwa minal Hindi. He's from India.
he is from India. Okay, Hua is third person singular detached pronoun. Okay, Hua means he. Okay, next Al Mudarris part. Haya, start.
Aina Abbas.
Okay, Abu Ibrahim.
Kharaja. He went.
Okay, kharaja is a verb.
أين
Now, this is the first time we came across any verb in our lessons. Okay, kharaja means he went. So in Arabic, verbs are in three forms: past tense, present tense, and the command form. Okay, and if one asks how the verbs in Arabic become in future tense, how we can tell, how we can say that verb is in future tense. So by adding the letter sin, or by putting the word sofa in front of the present tense verb, that verb gets transformed into the future tense verb. Okay, we will study in our coming lessons, inshallah. Okay, so kharaja. Kharaja is in past tense. Okay, the past tense verb is in
okay.
Arabic, it is called as failul ma'adi. Okay, and the present tense verb is called as failul mudari, and the command form is called as failul amrin. Okay, or in short, failul amr. Okay, we will study all these things later, inshallah. So kharaja here means he exited or he went out. Okay. Next, al mudarris. What does al mudarris say? Abu Ibrahim, read.
أين ذهب? Where did he go?
Okay, zahaba means to go. Or if we pick out the only the word zahaba, zahaba means he went. Okay. Now, whenever verb is there, then doer of the action is also there. Means whenever a fail comes, then at that point of time, fa'il also comes. Fa'il means doer of the action. But this is the only form in Failul Mahdi where either the fa'il comes after the verb or it is hidden inside it. Okay, so when zahaba and there is no other word or there is no noun in after this verb. Okay, then at the point of time we will assume that doer of the action is hidden in this pronoun, sorry, hidden in this verb. Okay, and it will be he or it. Okay, so here zahaba means he went, so he is directed towards Abbas. Muhammad Balur, you can unmute your mic and tell me what is your problem. Okay, I think you are the uh, first time participant of such meetings. I think so because I never saw you before. Okay. You can put in the chat section what doubts you have. Okay, later we will see those, inshallah. Okay, later I will explain to you, inshallah. Okay, now aina dhahaba, where did he go? Okay, Muhammad replies. Haya, tell Muhammad, what does Muhammad reply?
ذهب إلى المدير.
Zahaba means he went to the headmaster, means he went to meet the Headmaster. Okay. Who will read now? Sister Kausar Sheikh, will you be able to read the next sentence?
Yes.
Okay.
وأين ذهب علي
Okay. Al-Mudarris, the teacher
and
asks,
al- the teacher
uh,
asked, and where where is where Ali went to.
okay, where did Ali go? Okay.
Okay.
We will translate like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Abu Ibrahim, try next one. Next. Uh,
Uh, ذهب إلى المرحاض. He went to washroom.
correct. Okay. Ila means to or towards. Muhammad Balur, you have raised your hand. Do you have any problem? Speak. Unmute your mic and speak.
أين ذهب علي؟
Pardon?
ذهب إلى المرحاض. He he goes he goes he went to toilet. ذهب إلى المرحاض. He went to toilet.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Now we have come to the exercises. Tamarin. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyah means answer the following questions. Okay. Now, first 2-3 questions you can either answer from this conversation or you can answer from your own. Means, for example, if someone is from Malaysia or Sri Lanka or India or some other country, then at that point of time he or she can answer that he or she is from that place. Okay. Abu Ibrahim, start from first. Min aina anta?
من أين أنت؟ أنا من كشمير.
Ana min Kashmir. Okay, inshallah. Okay, next. Anta min al Philippine.
نعم أنا من سريلانكا.
See here, the question has been asked. Anta min al Philippine means are you from Philippines?
No, لا
Okay, then you have to say where are you from? Ana min al
لا لا أنا من سريلانكا.
Ana min Sri Lanka. Okay, mashallah. Next, Sister Kausar Sheikh, from the previous conversation which we have done few minutes ago, you have to say who is from China. Okay. So
Okay.
from reading this, what do you feel? Man minasin
Muhammad is Minasin.
la laisa minasin. See and read both the sentences. You will come to know who is from Afin.
Okay. Okay. Shall I read?
Okay.
Al-Mudarrisu asking, Wamin aina Ammarun? And where is from Ammar?
Okay.
Muhammad, huwa Minasin.
Okay.
He is from China.
So, what do you feel? Who is from China?
Ammar is from China.
Yes, now here you have got the answer.
Yeah.
So, you will reply Man Minaf Seen. So, reply will be Hammarun min al-thiri. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Next, who would like to answer? Mohammad Balur, would you like to answer the next question? Man min aina Hamidin? Sorry. Min aina Hamidun? Okay, carry on. Mohammad Balur.
حامد من سوينا.
Min.
حامد من
Read these sentences. You will come to know who is from. Sorry, where is Hamid from? Fast.
من الهند.
Yes. Now you got it. Okay.
حامد
Hamidun. You can say. Min aina Hamidun. You can say huwa min al Hind. There is no need to say once again Hamidun min al Hind. Okay. We use Vamirun in place of alamun to avoid the repetition. Okay. Next,
Hello.
aina zahaba Abbasun.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Abu Ibrahim, try the next one. Fourth question. Sorry, fifth one. Aina zahaba Abbasun.
ذهب إلى المدير.
MashaAllah. He went to the headmaster, or he went to meet the headmaster. Okay. So whenever al-mudir is used with respect to school, it means he is principal or headmaster, and whenever it is used apart from school, then the mudir will be manager. Okay, al-mudiru. Okay, so now let me tell you that uh, 10 minutes are remaining. Okay, for this meeting. After that, we will have to wait for a few minutes, means approximately 15 minutes. Then we will restart our meeting, inshallah. Okay, and then we will continue if you all don't have any issue. Okay, so mm, we have done this. Okay, we have done this also. Okay, next, sister Aya, uh, azahaba aliyun ila al-mudiri.
لا ذهب إلى المرحاض.
MashaAllah, correct. Okay, now we proceed towards the second question. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Okay, now you have to see, you have to pronounce these words correctly. There are no vowel signs given on these words, so you have to put the vowel signs, okay, in your mind, and you have to pronounce these words correctly without any mistake. Okay, so let's start with Abu Ibrahim. Brother Abu Ibrahim, start first one.
الغرفة.
Correct. Okay. Sister Haya, next one.
من الغرفة.
Okay. Al-ghurfatu means the room, and min al-ghurfati means from the room. Okay. Now next, Sister Kausar Sheikh. Okay, carry on.
Okay. من الحمام.
Min
From
al-hammam.
the bathroom.
Yes, you're right. Next, Muhammad Ballur.
المرحاض.
Al-mirhab.
Toilet.
Correct. Okay. Al-hammam. Okay. Next, Abu Ibrahim.
إلى المرحاض.
Correct. To the washroom, to the bath. Sorry, to yes, to the. Okay. Next, Haya.
اليابان Japan.
No, you're absolutely right. But we have to pronounce completely. Don't stop at the end.
اليابان.
Correct. Okay.
Okay.
Sister Kausar Sheikh next. Okay, carry on. What is the next word?
الفلبين.
Correct. Al Filipino. Al Filipino
The
means the
Philippines.
Philippines. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next, Muhammad Balur. Okay. Abu
من
Ibrahim.
الهند.
Okay, you said
من
correctly.
الهند. From
Muhammad
India.
from India. You said correct. Okay. Very good. Abu Ibrahim. Last one.
إلى الصين.
Lassini. To China or towards China. Okay. Now we head towards next question. اقرأ واكتب. Now here it's a test for you once again. Okay, you have to put the proper vowel signs on these words and you have to pronounce those correctly. Okay, Sister Kausar Sheikh, you want to say something? You can start with the first question.
Yes. من أين فاطمة؟
Okay,
هي من الهند.
okay,
Where,
translate.
Fati- where is from Fatima?
You have to
She's
say
from the India.
you have to say where is Fatima from. Okay,
Yes. Where is Fatima from? She's from the India.
see with regards to the names of countries. Okay, whenever al is added to it, then there is no need to say the. Okay, like
Okay.
Asinu means China, al Hindu means India. Okay, al Filipino means Philippines. Okay,
Okay.
you have to say
Why like
that
that?
because it is a we have made these nouns definite by adding al. Okay,
Okay.
correct.
Okay. Okay.
Next, Haya, try the next one.
مدرس من الفصل.
Pardon, read once again. Start once again.
خرج المدرس من الفصل وذهب إلى المدير.
Correct, very good. What is the translation?
A teacher went from classroom.
He exited.
Master.
The teacher exited. Now carry on. You have to say the teacher exited or the teacher went out from the classroom and he went
And
to the
towards
headmaster's office. Okay. Lal Mudiri. Okay. Next, Abu Ibrahim.
ذهب التاجر إلى الدكان. The businessman went to the shop.
Read once again, please.
ذهب التاجر إلى الدكان. The businessman went to the shop.
Correct. Very nice. ذهب التاجر إلى الدكان. See, after ذهب, we have to merge ba with ta because ta is from hurufu shamsiyah. Okay, so lam won't be pronounced. Okay, and same is the case with dal. Ila dukkani. Okay, now try next one. Okay, Wasim Ahmed, would you would you like to answer fourth question?
Ye- Yes.
Carry on.
That's
خرج حامد من الغرفة
خرج
وذهب إلى الحمام.
Very nice. Okay.
Hamid
Yes.
Hamid got out
Went out.
from room, went out from room and uh, went to washroom.
Okay. Now see, in the normal cases when there is al in front of any word, then you have to say the before it. Okay. So you will
Okay.
say like this: the Hamid went out from the room, and or you can say Hamid exited from the room and he went to the bathroom. Okay.